Good morning, elephants. Good afternoon, dinos. Look at me. Look, I look like I'm in my garden, but I'm not even outside. I'm in my house. I wanted to show you all the beautiful plants I have in my house. I don't even have these outside yet. I'm growing some vegetables, if you can see here, in a little pot. I started them out as little seeds, and I'm growing some vegetables to put in my garden. And this long plant is going to be corn, and some of these small plants, these ones that are sticking up right in front of you, they're going to be cucumbers, they're going to be pumpkins, and they're going to be sunflowers. And then right here, those little wispy ones, they are going to be carrots. You know, we talked about that in your packet this week, that you eat all parts of a plant, right? When you eat lettuce or spinach, you're eating the leaves, right? When you are eating the roots, you eat carrots. Carrots are roots. It grows underground. Potatoes grow underground. Okay, so you eat all parts. When you eat the stalk, which is the stem, right? Asparagus, right? Or celery. I have celery growing in the garden outside. I'm going to show that to you. But I have all different kinds of plants here that I wanted to show you. So I started these from seeds, and they're popping up. These are the seedlings, right? They're little seedlings. They're small now. They cannot go outside till it gets warm enough because the cold will kill them, right? I also have this. This is a spring bulb, right? It's called a daffodil. Look, it's a baby daffodil. It's a tiny little daffodil. Isn't that so pretty? It's a beautiful yellow flower that you see pop up in the spring. And I wanted to show you because I got this so that you could see through it, and you can actually see the bulb. Here's the bulb. It's part of the root. If you eat beets, or turnip, you eat the bulb. Here, what do you think this part of the plant is? These are reaching down into the water. Yeah, that's the roots. Those are the roots of the plant. And then here we have the leaves. It doesn't want to stay up. Here's the leaves, and then it's right here, right? That's holding the plant up. That's the stem. Okay, those are all the parts of the plant, right? We talked about flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Okay, those are the parts, the basic parts of a plant. And you learn that you eat all of these parts, many of them. I hope you do, because they're healthy. We know that plants are important because they give oxygen. They help our air. They make the air clean to breathe. And most importantly, they make food for us too. So those are two important reasons. They make our air clean, and they provide us with food to eat. So it's really important to have plants. But also, some plants are just pretty and smell good, like this. This is my lavender plant. If we had smell-o-vision, I could let you smell how pretty it is. Okay, lavender is very relaxing. It helps us relax. So I can take the leaves. Here's the leaves. Here's the flower, right? Here's the stem. I can take the leaves of the lavender, dry them, and put them under my pillow at night, and it'll help me sleep. It'll help me stay calm, okay? Here's another type of a plant I have over here that my friend Liam gave me, and this is an orchid, okay? And this, as you can see, my hair is coming off of it. I don't know why. Here's the flower. Here's the stem. This particular flower doesn't have, the leaves are very thick down here, okay? And then what do you think is the part that's in the soil? We can see it. It's see-through. You can see the roots. There's a lot of roots in that plant, okay? So that's another type of a plant. And that plant is really pretty looking, right? So we use plants for all different reasons. And I have one more exciting thing to show you. Okay, we know that we got a new pet, right? Our classroom pet is the betta fish, and we're going to name the betta fish today on Zoom. Stay tuned. But I wanted to show you something exciting about this betta fish. The fish is down there. I don't know where he's on the bottom. He's sleeping. He's just sitting on the bottom. Look. He's just had his breakfast, and he's just hanging out. Oh, there he goes. Can you see him? I don't know if you can see him. Where is he? Okay, let's see if we can get him to move. There he is. You see him? There he is. Okay, he doesn't have a name yet. We need a name. But look up here. Do you see what's growing on top of my fish tank? There are flowers growing on top of that fish tank. not flowers, plants, okay? They're green plants. They are called wheatgrass and radish grass. Okay, these are healthy plants that I can put in my health shakes in the morning. When I make a shake with fruit, I can put it in there and it gives me more nutrition. We're going to talk about nutrients next week. Nutrients are things that you put in your body that help your body work better, that give you energy, okay? So isn't that exciting? That's called a hydroponic fish tank, okay? I told you something really funny about it. Do you know what's giving nutrients to my plants? Fish poop. Yeah, the fish poops and that gives the nutrients, like a fertilizer. Fertilizer is what gives plants nutrients. Remember we talked about the worm in the soil and how the worm enriches and helps the soil because the worm poops in the soil. It's the same thing with animals, okay? Same thing with my fish, okay? So we're gonna watch that grow. It's growing so fast in the matter of 2 days. It's amazing, okay? So welcome to my indoor garden and get excited and get ready to learn more about plants and flowers and vegetables and fruits. All right, I'll see you later on Zoom. I have some stories coming too, okay? Happy Friday!